project that I'm working on here tonight. It's going to be built over the next few evenings, and I guess I'll call this one part one. My buddy Dwayne gave me this video enhancing stabilizer, auto stabilizer enhancing gadget thing for video recording. Anyway, I got it, the unit, and I said, well, it's going to make a nice little cabinet for something. And well, I've decided what I'm going to do with it. And well, I've since tore apart this thing. It was too bulky, to be honest with you. And took that apart. And I'm going to build a new antenna tuner inside of this box. I've already got two tuning caps installed. One here and one over here. There's also a few switches. Switch there. Switch there. Switch there. I got a knob for that. I just haven't put it on yet. And a potentiometer right here. The three switches, I'm undecided what I'm going to do with them yet. But what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to build the tuner. And then I'm going to build a receive preamplifier into this unit. And not only that, I'm also planning on putting a speaker inside of this unit as well. And I may even add a mic jack to the front of this and use it as build a circuit in there for an interface unit, possibly for doing digital modes. Thought about that. So it's going to be an antenna tuner, receive preamplifier, external speaker, as well as a interface unit for computer to radio interface. And it's also going to be able to be used on receive or transmit. I'm going to see if I can build a suitable transmit receive switching circuit into this thing. I'm thinking about going with relay. We'll see how that works out. I'd like to go with RF sensing relay if I could, but we'll see how that works out. Or may go with transistor switching and get the transistor itself to switch to relay. But it's going to be relay switching anyways for the receive transmit. So inside the unit, as you can tell, I've already got this tuning capacitor over here installed. I've got a switch here, wiring control here, switch, and this is the other tuning capacitor right there, as well as the coil. So switches are four position switches, and I'm thinking about how I'm going to do it is 3 of these switches. I'll probably use this one like a main switch. Switch over to the last position over, possibly to energize another relay, which engaged in would engage another relay. So I'd have multiple taps across this coil. So instead of having like 4 positions, I'll have like 4 and 4 is 8, and probably 4 more, like 12 taps. I'd like to go with one switch, but I haven't got the one switch, so we'll just have to go with that. Or may just use the one switch. I don't know yet how it's going to work. But I've got a receive preamplifier to build in this thing, and as well as speaker. I've got a speaker already that I'm planning on going to use with this circuit. That's the external speaker. And it is a 8 ohm 10 watt speaker from Malaysia, G4025. Or you can go with a 1-825-525-11. It's an 8 ohm 10 watt speaker. It's got pretty good sound, I have to say. So that's what's going on here the next few nights. So if you're interested in seeing how this contraption is going to turn out, then stay tuned. And let me see how she works there. Anyway, guys, take care, and it's nice seeing all you again. Got a few subscribers on the go, 18 subscribers. I'd like to thank you all for subscribing. And please rate, comment, and share, and pass the word around that this channel is getting back up and on the go again. Especially with fall now is pretty soon, which the cold weather will soon be setting in now in 2 or 3 months. Which will get me back at this stuff again. Anyways, that's all I have to say, and until next time, I'll just like to say thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe. And thumbs up the video. Share it around. Tell all your buddies that RadioNut63 is back in business again here on YouTube. And regards to any radio related repairs and such, well, I'm not going at those quite yet. I'm still studying for my advanced amateur radio license. Once I have that army built, then I'll get back into the repairs of radio again. Until then, it's just accessories I'll be working on. Anyway, guys, take her easy, and we'll chat soon. RadioNut63.